This is how we got here.
13.1 billion years ago, the Big Bang happened. This is what we think it looked like.
0.000000000000001
The world was
seconds after the Big Bang. The universe went through inflation time.
0.0000001 seconds after the Big Bang happened, protons, neutrons, and electrons formed.
300,000 years after the Big Bang happened, atoms formed.
Bunch of times after the Big Bang, the universe started growing, cooling, and coming together.
500 million years after Big Bang, the first stars formed.
So you guys are only at 14 seconds now? Oh yeah, you beat.
Years after the Big Bang happened, planets formed.
stop. Because the gravity's pulling all the
Okay, so big stars last longer than little stars because they have more what's it called? Nebula and hydrogen and that kind of stuff. This is how a star formed. So at the beginning, the star starts as a big cloud of dust called nebula. I meant to say that it started as a big cloud of gas, of nebula, not dust. Next, the gravity begins to pull the gas in the nebula together. Now, the gas, I meant to say the gravity pulls the gas in the nebula together. Now the hydrogen atoms, two of the hydrogen atoms get squeezed together, and it creates a nuclear reaction known as fusion. And when the two hydrogen atoms are squeezed together, they make an element called helium. This releases a lot of heat, and it makes the sun to glow yellow. When helium atoms come together, they make carbon atoms. And the carbon atoms are much hotter, so they glow red. Red giant eventually runs out of fuel to burn, and most of the carbon atoms they drift away from the red giant, and the atoms float away, and they form planetary nebula, and that is where the new planets can come from. And since the star is not making that much heat anymore, it turns into a white dwarf. Left of the star eventually burns out, and now there is only the black dwarf, and the carbon atoms are basically just surrounding the Now we'll talk about planets. So most of the outer planets, they can hold on to their ice, but the inner planets, since they're closer to the sun, the ice melts away. It melts away. The outer planets are bigger than the inner planets is because they could hold on to their gas and ice, but the inner planets could not because they were closer to the sun. So a big solar wind blew, and all this hydrogen and helium went all over the place. But the smaller planets, the inner planets, could not catch any of it, but the outer planets would.
Think the end by Omo Pro, aka Jamie and Ingrid. Bye bye.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.